These are the Shybox guts. One of the sensors off to the side, but this is it up with no lid. Got it working, so it's staying up without setting itself off if I move my hand by it. Sensors go off. More lights will be on, so it'll be really blue light. And yeah, that's it. Here we just can wait till it comes back up. But awesome construction there. Duct tape holding up the sensors. That's how I roll. No, it'll be changed out for the final construction. This is just making sure it all works. Alright, that's it.